Oh, fuck. I hate it when the changes the piece of shit. Hey, everybody. So, this is my 2009 Kia Rio. It is the base model. We're talking no power locks, no power windows, no AC, basically nothing at all. But guess what? The engine burns oil, gas, and coolant. So, it's not like it's gonna run for much longer.
So, Matthew's established that this car doesn't really work. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna rip out everything combustion and gas related. We're gonna throw in an electric motor, we're gonna throw in a bunch of batteries, and we're gonna make this thing rip.
Jacks that I've come up with for this. Basically it's a 6x6 with some pieces of hardwood down here. It stops basically all side to side this way, and what we do is we stagger them, so one here on the other side it'll be like this and vice versa on the back. We've tried pushing the car over while it's up on these, it won't budge. So they work great, and that 6x6 can hold way more than this. Probably a little truck.
So let's get it lifted up then. Jacked up. First order of business is to take out the exhaust and see where it goes from there. Let's cut to the time lapse.
Yo, dude, I have a better idea.
Oh.
Thank God I wasn't under that. Yo, this heavy.
Alright, so we just got the muffler out. A lot of grinding, a lot of banging. Alright, now we gotta get the rest of the exhaust off. So let's get to it.
Oh, we're making good progress. Okay, good, we got it. Ready? Okay, we're done.
Okay. Alright, push it out.
Hey!
Hey! Finally got the exhaust off. Let's go.
Oh my God, I can't wait to start this up.
There she is.
Woo!
Woo.
That's pure gold right there.
Beautiful cat.
3,
2, 1. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo.
Oh yeah! Woo!
Oh yeah, baby. And then we can keep looking.
Yeah, no, we're clear.
There's nothing connected to it.
Yo, check the back, check the back.
Back's
All good?
Woo! Got it, baby. Alright, let's push out the car now.
We're going to short the fuel pump to get the fuel out. So the first step is obviously put your jerry can over here. Now after trial and error, we have figured out that we just have to short these two pins, and
we got gas.
We get gas coming out. So we're just gonna keep doing that until I guess no more gas comes out, and then the tank should be majority empty. There might be a little bit left. We'll get that after.
So,
these gloves are straight nasty.
We managed to get the bolts of the fuel tank off, but we forgot to disconnect all the cables and stuff above. So,
yo, my hands are perfectly clean. I'm so happy with myself right now.
Yeah, his hands are perfectly clean. My hands, on the other hand.
Look at that white. Okay. Oh, hey, Jim.
Hey!
Yo, lift it, push it up.
Ugh.
Okay, you're good.
We're good?
Wait, no.
Everything's connected?
Disconnecting fuel lines.
Okay.
Hopefully fuel doesn't hit your face.
I'll just get it out of the way.
Push it up a little bit.
I did. That's the max I can go.
Come on. Not just because it's a piece of shit car. Okay, ready? Please tell me there's no gas. Oh, thank God. Okay. Now we just have one more thing to get off. This next level thingamajigger here, it's on some next level. Straight up.
Just get it out. I want to film what Matt's doing.
What the f?
Ah, my hand!
Oh man, why did you put your hand there? Pretty sure I'm pushing the right button. Got him.
Nice.
Wow.
Finally! Whew. Alright, let's get out from under the cart.
This is definitely a filter.
Yeah.
100%.
She is. Fuel tank. That's another, what, 50 pounds?
I don't know if it's 50 pounds.
Felt like 50 pounds when we were underneath it. And that is the end of our very first episode. We hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned, because there's going to be a lot more updates and a lot more content coming soon. Drop a like, share, comment, subscribe. If you didn't like the video for some reason, let us know. Just don't hate on us. See you again sometime soon.